Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to do a oil filter and air filter service on my son's Mark 1 MX5, or Miata, if you're from America, which he seems to think he is. So first of all, you'll need the air filter, an oil filter, a brand new sump plug and washer if possible, oil, and then all the appropriate tools. A socket set and some ramps would be perfect. Right, first thing I think we'll do is an air filter replacement. So this should be fairly straightforward. Unplug the loom from the top, pop it out of the way so it's not going to pop back. It's a normal crosshead or Phillips screwdriver. I think there's 4 bolts on the actual airbox. Just a case of cracking those off, undoing them slowly. Obviously we're only going to do a standard panel replacement filter. We're not going to do a K&N filter or a racing filter at this stage until we know the car a little bit better. Gently lift off the top of the airbox housing. You should be able to do this without doing the induction pipe. Take out the old panel filter and literally just swap it back out with the replacement. It should just slide straight in. There you go. And it's just a case of reseating the airbox top and redoing up the 4 bolts, or the 6 bolts, I can't remember which one, 4 bolts. And then obviously once that's done, reconnecting the loom. Okay, underneath now there's the sump and the sump plug. Just here, this one I don't think is an original, but it might be. But this is 19mm. The one obviously I've got to replace it actually isn't. So we'll see if that is the right one, but it should be. But yeah, let's see if we can crack this one off. Yeah, that moves now. If I put an extender bar on, hopefully that will bring the sump with it, sump plug with it, and do it slowly and pray. Win. Let it all drain away. Okay, so phase 2 will be the oil filter. Oil's now drained out, so the filter is situated on the driver's side of the engine, a little bit lower than it looks like the intake housing. This one's black, so it's a bit hard to see in the dark, but we should be able to get it to hand to it. So the oil filter is down inside here. You have to kind of reach down until you get it. There it is. Whether I'm going to do this one-handed or not. Oh yeah, it's gone. There you go. Right, okay. So now unscrew it anti-clockwise. I might have to put the camera down for this because I don't really want to spill oil everywhere, because there'll be a bit of oil residually in the filter. 1 second. Okay, it's a bit messy, but there we go. One oil filter, looking nasty. Okay, that's the old one off. That was a bit messy, cleaned up a little bit. New one, obviously when you're applying the new one, put a little bit of oil around the seal, just so it makes sure it seals properly and it's easier to put on because it slides on. We'll do that now. Lovely. Okay, so let's see if we can get that one back in there. Try and lower him in the reverse. And he came out. And then that way, that way. Okay, new oil filter's back on. I don't think you can see it, unfortunately, from this angle, but the new one is on and it's tightened, so back to the new Sump Plug. So this is the new Sump Plug we've got. It's pretty generic, I think it was only a couple of quid. It does look like it's a different size to the other one, the actual head, but we'll see as long as it works. Alright, so replacing the new Sump Plug is literally just the reverse. Tighten it up, do it hand tight to start with. Also try and keep it clean. They say do it hand tight and then do it another quarter of a turn, so that's what I shall do. Nip it up, clean it off, and hopefully job jobbed. Now it's a case of refilling with oil. So always use a funnel, otherwise it will go everywhere. If you hold the bottle this way, you get a smoother flow of oil as well. It doesn't glug out at quite the same rate. An oil change and a filter change on the Mazda MX5. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.